and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse. This time guys, it's the number 70 as you can see there. But well guys, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, be sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. And guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partener. It's a Spanish speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, live streams, lots of cool stuff guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well guys, let's go ahead, let's get into this. Alright guys, so we have everything out of the initial plastic, and now it's time to check out the magazine. Up at the top we have the title of the collection, Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse, of course in the Victorian style, and down below it says enjoy this elegant and spectacular home of your dreams. And guys, this is of course the number 70. If you would like to see the previous 69, all you have to do is check out the playlist located in the ink cards in the end of the video. And as we mosey on down, we see the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it completed. So make sure to stay tuned, guys. And guys, this collection is from Editorial Salvat, which is the same company that makes the Marvel figures, which I unbox, as well as many of the comics, which I also unbox. If you're interested in seeing that, guys, make sure to check out the playlist located in my channel. And here it says an elegant shoe shop. And it talks about a miniature shoe shop that was made during the Victorian age, and it talks a bit about it. It was a shop for female shoes. There you can see the clerk there. It's really nice, and you can see all the different shoes here. I kind of like these black strappy ones. And here it points out piece for piece of the shop. And here it talks about shoes from Mesopotamia. And then different shoes throughout time. These are really cute. Which of these do you like the most? Tell me down in the comments below. I kind of like these black ones, but I also like these like Oxfords. You guys tell me down in the comments below. And here it teaches you how to make a pot for your dollhouse. And it walks you through step by step of how to do it. But guys, no worries. Once we have the entire collection, I will walk you through how to do each one of these projects step by step, and we will build the dollhouse together. So guys, make sure to stay tuned. Make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. Here it just talks a bit about the historical background of women working, so in factories and that sort of thing. And well guys, that's the end of that. Here on the back we just have the front of the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it completed. And guys, as I said before, this is from editorial Salvat. And well, let's flip back to the front. And well guys, now it's time to unbox our brand new additions to the dollhouse. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Alright, let's just open this up. There. Okay, it seems to be a really cute table. Oh, and it's one of those tables that I really like. It's one of those that like fold out. That's really neat. That's really cool. Ah, and these fold out, these go out to hold this up. That is so cool. I really like this one. You guys tell me, what do you guys think down in the comments below. As always, I look forward to hearing from you guys. I think this is pretty awesome. But tell me what you guys think. And well guys, that's the end of that. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you haven't yet, make sure to go on over and follow me on my Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. I will have those linked, of course, down in the description below. And guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, and live streams as well, which I'm a part of. So make sure to go on over and subscribe to him. I will have his links down in the description below. And well guys, I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.